Unlike aerodynamic kayaks, canoes, and paddle boards that notoriously tip over, GoBoat's rounded design is extremely stable, virtually indestructible, and can handle waves from any direction. With GoBoat, you get much more usable surface area and can move freely without the risk of tipping over. Sturdy, multi-layered, drop-stitched craftsmanship swells quickly and becomes very rigid, providing durability and stability on the water. It fits in a backpack and fits into even the smallest luggage, making transport and storage effortless. GoBoat's round design makes it almost impossible for the boat to tip over and makes it easier to get on and off the boat, while providing unmatched stability. It has a 35-pound thrust, is equipped with a 5-speed electric motor, can reach a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour, and offers a powerful and smooth ride. Just inflate, slide in the motor mount, install the motor and battery, and install the seat. You're ready to hit the road in just 5 minutes. Designed to withstand the harsh conditions of saltwater environments, providing durability and longevity for your ocean adventures. Every GoBoat package comes fully equipped with essential components and accessories to ensure your water adventures are safe and enjoyable. From a powerful electric motor to a handy wheeled backpack, you'll have everything you need to dive safely into the water.